In this exercise, we're going to draw a 3-view of the part that you have in your handout. We're going to start this part by opening the line command. So we're going to go up here, select line, specify first point, so 1.5, comma, 2.5. And then, as you can see from your drawing, switch your grid on will help you out with this because these are all nice even dimensions. So that's going to be 3 wide, 1.5 up, 0.5 over, 0.5 down, 0.5 back over, and we finish that back off there. You can also see that we've got a 1/2 inch high edge in the front here. So that goes across right there. We're going to come up here and we're going to put a 45-degree line in, and that's going to relate our top view to our right view. So the next thing I'm going to do is draw the top view. And that's 3 wide and 2.5 tall. And I'll put in all the features that I can do immediately on there. So we got this little edge here, the corresponding edge on this side. We've got a line across here. And then these 3 lines round out the top view of the part. Okay, now we've got that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put in a 45-degree construction line over here. Then we're going to use our top view to create our right side view. So I'm going to start at this point. I'm going to go up diagonally and grab that point right there. So that's a 45-degree line. And I'm going to start bringing my geometry over that I need. So this is going to be our outer edge of our part. That's pretty easy to create. This is the left edge of our right view. Connect here and create the bottom. The next one I'm going to put in this top face and come over, and at this point I'm going to turn my snap off because that'll make it a little bit easier. I'll go past there and then I'm going to turn my just use my intersection to get that point right there. Alright, and the last one that we need for reference is this right here, and past there, pick up that intersection, come down. Okay, down in this view we have a 1.5 inch dimension here, so if I turn my grid snap back on and go from right there to right there, and I can bring a line over from here to this point and then come up to locate my angled face. So my angled face that's on my part goes from here to there. These lines here show me where to place the hidden lines on the inside. The one other feature I haven't brought down yet from the top is this one. So this will have some hidden lines associated with it. Okay, so now all the lines that we've done so far, except for some in the rotor, we're going to go up and we're going to load a line type. So we're going to go up here, select Other, select Load, and we're going to scroll down we're going to get hidden to, and select OK. That'll show up. And then up here you can go and scroll down and select hidden to as your line type. And we're going to put in our hidden line, which will go from here past there. It's not on a even snap, so it makes it hard to pick up. And then we're going to put in another one from, turn my snap back on, from here to there. Okay, so now we're ready to, oh yeah, we have one more line to get. Because we have this intersection point here now, we can switch back over to continuous and go from this point across, and we can bring these down. And now we're ready to trim. So we'll come up here, select trim, hit enter. It puts us in our power trim mode. And we need to get rid of that edge, this edge, this edge, take out that. You're going to zoom way in, we got to get rid of some of these guys here. Okay, and this one up here needs to go away. So does that one. I'm going to try and trim out any other ones that I can. And all the rest of these I should be able to delete directly. Maybe set that one. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so now we're going to use our erase command. We're going to start selecting objects. Now we shouldn't see any lines that we want to keep turned dashed here. And then we hit enter. And we're basically done, except for applying the dimensions. So you guys can add dimensions as necessary to match the sheet that you have for this exercise.